If you are working on any equipment, any electronic device that is using digital ICs, and we want to test ICs out of circuit, this ABI ChipMaster Compact Digital IC Tester is handy and very useful tool. In my last video I shared a review about linear IC tester. In that tester we can test operational amplifiers, comparators, multiplexers, voltage references, like that. But this device is useful for TTL ICs, that is 74 or 54 series, CMOS series, 40 series, 45 series, also in TTL 75 series ICs and CMOS ICs in TTL family, memory ICs, many other products. Let's see it practically. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. It is ChipMaster Compact Digital IC Tester from ABI Electronics, United Kingdom. Very easy to use. Just power it on. Ensure that before turning it on there is no IC, no chip in the IC socket. If there is any component, it will fail the self-test. When we power it on, it performs its hardware testing. We can say self-test. On, it will perform diagnostic test. Self-test pass, press any key. We will place IC in the socket if you know the number. I have SN74157 IC. When we want to test it, there are different test protocols. First, single test. In this single test mode, it will perform just only one time testing. Either the result is pass or fail. Next is loop testing. In this loop testing, it will perform IC in loop and it will show the result on top. If you want to test multiple ICs, this option is useful. Then P loop, pass loop. It will run the test regardless IC test, pass or fail. Fail loop. It will run the test again and again, even if the IC is fail or pass, the test will remain continue. This is a very useful function. If we don't know the IC number, we cannot read the number on the chip, or number is erased, because many manufacturers remove the IC numbers for copy method, copy purpose or like that. So using this method, either in linear IC tester or digital IC tester, we can identify the ICs. Most of the time ICs are logic ICs. We can identify logic ICs here. Then diagnostic mode. This mode is used to run hardware test anytime. When we want to test it, we will select this option. It will reboot and it will repeat its self-test. Then CMLink. It is CompactMaster Link software that is to be used to test any IC that is not present in its library. Then switch off. These are its menus. Single test mode. We will place the IC in the socket. Last pin will be installed in the bottom row and index pin must be in the top side. So we will align ICs here in the bottom side and we will lock it. Now I will enter generic number without any suffix, prefix or any letters in the mid, like SN74LS00, SN74S135, 138, we will enter here 74157. When we will run this test, it will take signatures from its pins and it will cross match with its library. After entering the number, we will press test button. Pass. Quad 2 channel 2 to 1 multiplexer. So this IC is good. Same way, if you don't know the number, We will press clear button, this button again, loop, P loop, F loop, search. After selecting search, we will press this button. Here it will ask option how many pins are there in this IC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in one side, 8 in second side, 16 pin IC. We will press mod button to change the option 14 to 16. Here is 16 pin IC. We will press run button. So this identifier option is very useful. It will cross match the signatures with the signatures in its library. It will show IC numbers. Just only one IC is identified, or its signatures are matching with one IC, that is 74157. Exactly that IC we have. If you want to test it now, we will exit from here. In single mode, P loop, F loop, loop, we will enter its number and then we will test it. I have CD4031 IC here. If any IC is providing intermittent operation, sometime it is turning on, sometime it is turning off, sometime it is working good, sometime not. That time the loop function, either loop, P loop, F loop, that options are very useful. It will show the result if the IC is behaving intermittently. We will reach in single test mode. 4031 test, pass. If we will run loop test, it will show here busy and pass. This time the test is running continuously. Anytime the test is fail, it will show fail here. Exit. P loop. If the IC is passed, it will run test again and again. If we select F loop, it will run the test again and again until the IC is passed. If the IC remains fail, it will run the test continuously. If IC is fail, it will show busy and fail, and IC will be tested again and again in loop. Like here I have CD4511. Let's identify it. We will reach in search mode. IC pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 pin IC. Run test. If this IC is available in its library, it will show the number 4511. If the number is erased, if the number is removed by grinding or whatsoever, we can identify that number using this identifier function. Now we will exit from here, quit, run. Now we will reach in single test 4511. It is BCD to 7 segment display driver. IC is pass. If you see this tester, very useful for AA size batteries. It is looking very similar to B and K precision IC tester. If we discuss its price from its official website ABI, it's around approximately $1,200. You can also find from local vendors or online suppliers. If you used this device, I will invite you to share your feedback in the comments. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.